Have you ever wondered what the everyday objects around you look like up close? Beyond what the naked eye can see, there's a whole hidden world of textures, structures, and tiny details waiting to be discovered. Today, we're taking a closer look at everyday things under the microscope, revealing what they hide from us. First up, let's examine a strand of human hair. Under the microscope, you can see the overlapping scales of the cuticle, which protect the inner cortex. These scales give hair its texture and shine. You'll also notice variations in thickness and even damage, depending on how the hair has been treated. It's a fascinating glimpse into the complexity of something we often take for granted. Next, let's look at a piece of paper. What appears smooth to the eye is actually a chaotic landscape of intertwined cellulose fibers. These fibers, derived from wood, pulp, create a network that gives paper its strength and flexibility. You can often see the remnants of the manufacturing process, such as the direction of the fibers and the way the paper was pressed. It's a testament to the intricate engineering behind even the simplest of materials. Now let's magnify a grain of salt. Table salt, or sodium chloride, is a crystalline structure. Under the microscope, you'll see perfect cubes, all uniform in size and shape. These crystals are formed through the process of evaporation and are a testament to the order that exists at the molecular level. It's a reminder that even something as commonplace as salt is a work of nature's art. Let's move on to something a bit more colorful, a flower petal. The vibrant hues of a flower petal are created by pigments contained within cells. Under the microscope, you'll see these cells, along with their intricate shapes and arrangements. You might also notice tiny air pockets and veins that transport water and nutrients. It's a beautiful example of the complexity and beauty of the natural world. Finally, let's explore a fingerprint. Fingerprints are unique patterns of ridges and valleys that identify each of us. Under the microscope, you can see the intricate details of these patterns, including the pores where sweat is secreted. These patterns are created during fetal development and are influenced by a variety of factors. It's a reminder of the uniqueness of each individual. So, the next time you encounter these everyday objects, take a moment to consider what lies beneath the surface. The world under the microscope is a fascinating realm of detail and complexity, revealing the hidden wonders of the ordinary. It's a reminder that there's always more to see, if we only take the time to look.